Hi guys, it's CoverGirl Sansan. I am back with my 11-day post-op video. Have a lot of information to give. Guys, so I am 11 days post-op. I have surgery on the 18th. Um, I have not been back in a while. Anyways, last week Thursday, I was in the emergency room in the hospital. I that would make 1 week post-op. I went back to the hospital because I called my surgeon and I told him what was going on. My thighs were retaining like a lot of fluid. It was really swollen. I was having severe back pain, which I could hardly walk. I was not walking actually on my own. I needed help to go to the bathroom and do everything. So I called them and they said to go to the emergency room to get a scan for blood clot. So that was kind of scary to even think that. But anyways, I went to the hospital. I was there from 10 in the morning till like 8 in the night. It was a nightmare. I went through a lot. When I said a lot, I mean a lot in that one day. Just anyways, they did scanning of the legs to see if I had any blood clot. There was no blood clot. um they had to do another CT scan, and during the CT scan I had to have a IV in. You know how they hook you up while they're doing the CT scan and put you in the machine and all that stuff. It was hard because first of all, I don't have good veins, and they had to do an ultrasound to get the vein to get an IV in, and that was hard. I was stuck 3 times before. No, they couldn't string the catheter for the IV. Ultrasound came and they try in my right arm. That did not work. They had to go in the left arm. Anyways, they got it. Here we go now. I need to do the CT scan. Whenever you go in the CT machine, you have to have the catheter in the IV. It has to be string, and they have to have that fluid that's going in, and you're supposed to lay flat on your back. I could not lay flat. Even now, I still cannot lay like flat out on my back. So that was another nightmare. Like, they had to be propping me up with pillows and stuff, and it's like the machine is but so big for you to be in a crouch position like you're sitting up. That was very difficult. And the pillows that they have is like, it's not like the real stiff pillows or whatever, you know how the hospital pillows are. So it's like the air, they look high, but once you lay on them, it's like they just deflate. They're like really really flat. So they put blanket there. They still didn't really help that much, so I was kind of stretching on my incision. But anyways, that's over. Leave the hospital. I did not have a blood clot at all. They say they saw that there was air in my bowel, that in my intestines, which did not belong there. But that's over with. I'm not feeling any pain. I did not get medication for that. They gave me pain for my back for muscle, and that helps a lot. Even I'm still having back pain, but it's just my back pain that I'm having now. It's just from crouching over, because I still can't stand straight. Uh, Anyways, out the hospital, come back home. Next day I was feeling much better. The next morning, Anyways, I had an appointment on Friday to get my drain, one of my drain removed, because it's been under 30 mLs for more than 24 hours. It has been that way for like 3 days, under 30 mLs. So I went to the hospital to get my, that's not the hospital, that's the surgery center, to get my drain removed. So I have my left drain out, I only have my right one in. It's still over 30 ml, the right drain. I It's been like 40, I think, last night. So I have an appointment for tomorrow. So hopefully by tomorrow it's under 30, at least tonight. And then when I do it tomorrow, it's gonna be, I would know by morning time to see how much fluid I could estimate it for the day. And I'll call them anyways before I go, because I have a 2 o'clock appointment for tomorrow. If it's over 30, I won't go. I am gonna cancel, because I need to get all that fluid out there. I don't want to go and have them take it out and then there is too much fluid in there, and next thing you know, I'm end up with an infection. Taking out the drain, that was something. Oh boy, I was scared, and I thought it was gonna hurt a lot. It is not a pleasant feeling, but it didn't hurt as much as I thought. So that's a good thing. That's really good. Anyways, they take it out. I have another post of appointment to 1 month visit. They said they're gonna talk to me about getting massages and stuff like that for the post op of the tummy, the abdominoplasty. They want you to do massages, like lymphatic massages, to, I guess, to help with like the drainage, like fluid built up or stuff like that. I'm not sure. When I go back for my post up, my 1 month post up appointment, then they're gonna explain that part to me. What else? Let's see. And now I'm home, and I am taking showers. Thank God, I couldn't wait. And I am helping myself much more. I'm walking on my own. I get in the shower by myself and stuff like that. You're not supposed to let the incision soak with water. You're supposed to just like go in and take like a quick shower and out. But what I do, I have a shower chair. So what I do is get soaped up on the shower chair, sitting on the shower chair in the shower. Don't let the soap go in the incision area, where I get the surgery, on the surgery site on my belly button. I don't let the soap get there. I soap everywhere else up, and then when I'm about to be finished, I'll like stand up and just get like a quick wash. So I just wash off, so I get to take a good shower, because standing up and trying to do all that, it's hard. I mean, having this surgery is not a walk in the park. It really takes long. The process is long, the healing process, because it's been 11 days and I can't do anything at all, apart from help myself in the bathroom and taking a shower. And going in the bathroom and taking a shower, you are like so tired, like right after, you're exhausted. Taking a shower is like a whole day's work. I'm eating regular diet, but I try to not have like as much sweets and stuff like that. I am mainly having like my protein and like veggies, like dinner yesterday. Protein, I had chicken, and I have steamed veggies in like a green salad which my husband make for dinner yesterday. I've been having pineapple juice, Gatorade Zero, and water. That's it. And my pineapple juice is finished, so I'm not going to be having no more pineapple juice. I have it the beginning of surgery because they said that the pineapple juice helps with the swelling. So now it's finished. I don't want any more on my zero gliterator, the 0 calorie gliterator, and zero sugar, and I'm on water. That's it. And I'll have like a cup of tea. um as far as bending over and getting stuff, no, I can't do that standing. And I'm still not standing. I mentioned that before, like fully straight. So it's doing what I'm doing in the bathroom. If I'm sitting, I can like bend to reach down to like put my clothes on, like just bend my stretch my arms down to help myself doing that. Otherwise, no. um the pain medication, I still take the pain medication. I'm not in any severe pain or anything like that at this point. Sometimes I'm feeling like this pressure in my abdominal, like right around the incision, which is very, very, very uncomfortable, like a burning feeling and a heavy pressure. And when I'm feeling that, that's the only time like I will take a pain medication, and I'll take just one for the day. And I try to take it like later, closer to night when I'm going to bed. I'm still having trouble sleeping. I'm not getting as much rest as I should. I was up this morning at 3 o'clock, and then I went back to sleep for like half an hour in the morning, and I'm up again. And I don't go to bed until like 12, 1 o'clock at night. Sometimes I don't sleep all night. I have a sleep study coming up. Can't wait to get that done so they can give me something so I can actually get some sleep, like get a good night rest. Um, what else I have to tell you? Oh, my belly button. And the same day when I went to take my left drain out, they pull they actually take the gauze and everything, the dressing from over my belly button. That was my first time seeing it. I will post a picture at the end. I will post pics of the belly button and a few pictures of my post-ops so far. It's getting better each day. As the days go by, I'm feeling better. My incision, it looks like it's, I think it's glued, and none of my the surgical like dressing that they put on, it's still all on there. Everything is still there. Now that I'm taking a shower, I'm thinking like within a couple of days it's gonna be start to peel. It looks good. My stomach is it's in the morning time, it's flat. As the day progress, it gets swollen more and more. So at night my stomach is like really swollen. Even with my stomach swollen, it still looks better than before I have the surgery. I did not like that extra skin that I had on my abdominal area and my belly at all. Not at all. Don't like it. So I am happier with my results so far. Can't wait to see the final result. I am going to post some pic at the end of the video, and I'll see you guys soon. Hopefully next week I'll be back with another video. And after my tummy tuck, there's a lot of stuff. Like I'm going to share my hair videos with you guys, and my cooking videos with you guys. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, leave a comment, hit that notification so you know every time I post a video. Stay tuned.